although not conclusive.
The respondent is hereby released on the following conditions. Number 1, that he be reporting once in 2 days excluding the weekends for the next 9 days at Muthenya police station at convenient times to be agreed with the investigating officers. Number 2, that the power bank be released today. Number 3, that the mobile phone and SIM card be released at the lapse of 14 days from the date hereof. Number 4, that the respondent deposits a cash bail of 100,000 shillings. Number 5, that this matter be mentioned before this court on the 22nd of July. Those are the orders of this court. You are restrained from making any comments or posting anything to do with this case in the social media. You will also be required to deposit your passport in this court as a condition for your release.